Hi, this is Jay Jenkins of Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to walk you through where you can find the TestGen software and TestBank test banks for a mastering course. So the first thing you want to do is sign into your mastering, whichever one it is, whether it's A&P or chemistry or bio. Just sign in. Once you sign in, you'll want to navigate to the instructor resources area, and then you'll want to find the TestBank and hit the plus button. If you don't have the software, then first thing you'll do is go to the TestBank website and you'll download the TestGen software, which is right here. And you'll click download and you'll choose which desktop application, whether it's PC or Mac, that you're using. And once you download that and install it on your computer, then you'll come back to mastering the resources and click on the TestBank TestGen file, and you'll save that TestGen file to your computer. And once it's saved to your computer, you will then navigate to open up your TestGen program. Which will look like this, and then you'll go find your TestBank. Before we do this, you'll need to find where you downloaded your TestBank, which is typically going to be in a folder, in your downloads folder. So if you find it, it comes as a zip file. So the first thing you'll need to do is extract all of the files. So we extract it. Once it's extracted, then you'll have the BOK file. So you should be able to come back now to the TestGen and choose Add TestBank to Library. And I'm going to go to my downloads, find that MyLab, click into it, and now I have that TestBank added. From here, you can begin to make tests, whether they're paper tests or web tests. And if you are integrating into your Blackboard or Canvas or something like that, what you'll choose is web test. And you'll want to say that you want it to be for Blackboard or D2L, Moodle, and so forth. Click OK. And then you'll come in and you'll basically create like pools. So you'll choose which questions that you want. You can grab multiple questions at one time and just drag them over. And you can continue to do this on this over here. Just continue to scroll and grab what you want. And then when you're done, you will save this test. So File, Save Test As, and then you'll name it. And then you can go into your Blackboard account and import this as a question pool. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and have a good day.